So in today's lecture of PDE, eliminate the arbitrary function and find PDE, that is partial differential equation. So let me start with it. So the question is this one, second one I'm doing. This is the second lecture. In the first, I have given you all the first part of it. The other, this is the second one, f of x comma y, x y comma x plus y minus z is equal to 0. Now basically this is of the form f of u comma v is equal to 0. This is the formula which you all have to write it, take down. You'll have to take this down, f of u into u of x, because I am differentiating this u with respect to x, plus f of v into v of x. I am differentiating this v with respect to x is equal to 0. Same way f of u into u of y, because uy it is, I am differentiating this u with respect to y, plus f of v into v of y. I am differentiating this v with respect to y is equal to 0. Take this as star, this two, both the equation, take it as star. U is equal to what? Nothing but xy. V is nothing but x plus y minus z, which is over here. If I differentiate this with respect to x, what I am going to get is y. Differentiate this with respect to x, I am going to get 1 minus p, because what it is, dou z, upon dou x, if I differentiate, I am going to get p, okay, this zx. If I differentiate this z with respect to x, what I am going to get is nothing but p, okay. So same way, u of y is equal to x. If I differentiate this with respect to y, now I have to differentiate this with respect to y. So what I am going to get? So you all have to differentiate, right? Differentiate with respect to x and y. So do this differentiation over here, and for this x will come here, okay. So now if I differentiate this u with respect to y, I am going to get x. If I differentiate this with respect to y, this v, I am going to get 1 minus q. Okay, z, if I differentiate it with respect to y, I am going to get q. So now substitute these values in star. Whatever the values I got, I have to substitute this in this star. Okay. So now, so I have substituted this f of y. What is this? Ux. Ux is nothing but y plus fv into what is this, v of x, 1 minus p. So I have plugged the value here is equal to 0. F of u of what is this? U of y is nothing but x. What is v of y? 1 minus q. Okay. So plus f of v into 1 minus q. This is what v of y. So I was differentiating v with respect to y. So I got 1 minus q is equal to 0. Now what I have to do is multiply this with x and multiply this with y. Okay. Because f of u of x comma y plus, see, here I have multiplied this equation with x. So it is xy plus fv x minus xp is equal to 0. F of u, multiply this with y. Multiply y by y. Okay. So xy plus fv y minus yq is equal to 0. So obviously these terms are going to get cancelled. I have already cancelled and show you all. Now what you all are going to get is fv, take it common, x minus xp minus this y minus q yq. Okay, this is y minus yq is equal to 0. So write this term here, x minus xp minus y plus yq is equal to 0. Take it here, this inside part. Okay. Next what you all are going to get is minus xp plus yq is equal to, if you take x other side, it will become negative x minus x plus y. Now what you all have to do is x minus y is equal to, you all can write it as in this term, that is xp minus yq. Okay, you all can even write it like this. So with this I am done with today's lecture. I hope you all have understood today's lecture, and thanks for watching.